Hello, my name is Braden Stolten, and I am a B398R student, and my internship was with Hershey Chiropractic. So Hershey Chiropractic was a local chiropractor in Orem, Utah. He has another doctor who works with him who is my direct supervisor named Dr. Todd. I worked closely with the two of them during this internship. So why Hershey Chiropractic? So, first of all, I already knew him. He's my chiropractor, and I went to see him for regular adjustments due to back pain. Another reason why I chose to do an internship with Hershey Chiropractic is because they do great work there. So they're very gentle, they're very family friendly. They adjust everyone from infants to the elderly. Another reason why I chose Hershey Chiropractic is because they're not well known. People know about them in the local area in Orem, but they're not super well known further from a few miles. And so they needed help with their marketing and sales. And that's another reason why I chose to go with Hershey Chiropractic, because my interest in business is with marketing and sales. So obtaining the internship was based on discussing with Dr. Hershey his marketing efforts. He expressed frustration with his current marketer and how he was not seeing results. And he really stressed the importance of being able to find new clients to bring in and generate more revenue for the office. And so after chatting with him and letting him know I am searching for an internship and that I'm interested in marketing, advertising, and sales, he granted me the opportunity to do the internship with his office. A few of the previous courses I took involving business taught me some valuable lessons that I was able to use while doing my internship with Dr. Hershey's office. A few of the things that I learned in my previous classes was search engine optimization. So I got to learn how to add keywords and key phrases to different websites that Google would recognize, and that would increase the search rankings of the practice. In fact, I got Hershey Chiropractic from spot number 85 in Google to spot number 15 using search engine optimization. Another thing that I learned in a previous class was how to use Google AdWords. That is just advertising online with Google. I got to learn how to use keywords and phrases and track them, see how their performance was, and make adjustments as needed. And from another class, I got to use an online web builder called Wix.com, where I built Hershey Chiropractic a new, updated, and user-friendly website. And using Wix.com, I was able to use some of their tools to help advance the search engine optimization as well. My overall experience working with Dr. Hershey and Dr. Todd was a great experience. I learned so much from the two of them, and I was able to bring in new clients. I got to learn from the ground up, and it was a really, really awesome experience to be involved in. Hershey Chiropractic, my internship with him helped me with my future plans because I plan on going into sales, marketing, and advertising. And so the things that I learned with my internship are a great resume builder, and I learned a lot of vital components of marketing, advertising, and sales. My advice to future interns are ask questions. It's never a dumb question, so ask as many questions as you can think of. Be eager to learn. Learn as much as you can. There's so much knowledge out there. There's so many resources. Get access to it all. You'll go very far. Put yourself out there. I mean, with an internship, sometimes it can be a little nerve-wracking because you're in a new experience and meeting new people. But put yourself out there, get to know people, which leads to networking. And networking is very important with an internship because oftentimes the people that you network with can actually provide you with a future job or an advancement in your current company. And finally, my last piece of advice is to have fun. Enjoy every minute of it. This is a very unique opportunity and one that will advance you for years to come.